Wicked video today. We'll make some curry goat. Nice. The big Dutch pot. Nice. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe. Leave those comments down below and hit that bell up in the right hand corner. You can always support the channel through Cash App, the Genius Cooking. The funds will always be used to upgrade equipment and upgrade the channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and thank you guys for everything. Curry goat in today's video. Right, and spice and everything. Nice news, and I got bad news. The good news is it's seasoned. The bad news is I lost the part of the video where I was seasoning the goat. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the seasonings I use, so it could be very simple. Let's get right into it. All right. This is the curry powder that I use. I buy mine big. So got curry powder, some flavor enhancer, little bit of black pepper. These are my brand seasonings. So I make my own curry blend, stew blend. I have all purpose. I also have oxtail blend and jerk blend. So I have some onion, some ginger, some garlic, little allspice, paprika, and some Maggi. Alright? I mean some thyme. Very simple. Alright? These are all the seasonings I use. For this amount of goat, I want to say maybe a tablespoon and a tablespoon of each one, because we have a lot of, let's say 2 tablespoons each. And that should be fine. Curry, probably a little bit more. Alright, like I said, I'm sorry I lost the beginning of the seasoning part, but if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I can guide you guys right through it. So let's get on started. So, this is the goat. Beautiful. Well seasoned already. This is how you can tell when it's well seasoned too. So, well seasoned. Time. Alright, cut some fresh onions in there. Fresh onions. Alright, so right tonight I'm a big dirty Dutch pot. Nice, cool. And when I'm seasoning, I use a little bit of oil just to get everything off. So I'm not going to use no oil inside of the pot. And this part right here, we're going to be browning up the meat before we pour a watan on them sitting in there. Alright, so this is super duper easy. When making goat or oxtail, cow foot and all those other stuff, those things take a long time to cook. Curry goat without a pressure cooker could take 3 to 5 hours depending on how you got your flames on your under your pot, right? I have a commercial pressure cooker, and I also have a home pressure cooker. I'm going to try to find my my pressure cooker from my restaurant and see if I can find that. And that way I can reduce this down to goat being cooked in less than a half hour. And trust me, it's perfect. So this pot should be nice and hot. Yep. We'll test it out with one little piece in there. We'll see. There we go. Good. Yeah. Beautiful. In with the goat. That's this part right here. Go brown them up. You don't have to have your fire on like crazy high either. Alright. Beautiful. Starting to sweat already. You don't need to add no extra oil in here. Man, like iron in the pot. And I don't cook with salt. So my mother cook. She don't use salt. I don't use salt. But I don't like salt. Nobody cook with salt from the barn, so basically I'm just gonna brown this up and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, checking up on the pot. Look good so far. All that good stuff down there. When you pour that water in there, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm just browning up the meat. That's it. Fry it up a little bit. Alright, back in that shape, you know. Nice and nice and nice. Ready for some water, you know. I don't need a lot right now. That's good right there. Beautiful. Trying to find my pressure cooker for you guys. The commercial pressure cooker that I have, I can season and make goat in 30 to 40 minutes flat. Perfectly like tender and juicy and all sorts of flavor. All right, that looks nice. Again, guys, put some fresh garlic in there, fresh onion, fresh thyme, pimento seed if you have some. I don't have any right now. Well, actually, do I? I did put allspice in there, which is the same thing. Actually, I do have. No, I don't. See. No, I must have pimento seed. Pimento. Perfect. Fresh garlic. All right. I'll put some in there right now. Guys, take a heavy duty knife or something that you can use to break down the pimento seed, and then just put them in there and squish the garlic in my goat like that. So just squish up the garlic and just push them in there. You could dice them up however you want to do it. If I was cooking in the restaurant right now, I would have diced them up like I did the onion. Put in onion, fresh green pepper, red pepper, all them something there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let that go ahead and simmer down. We're gonna cover it up and let that go. I'm gonna see if I can find a pressure cooker for you guys. All right, beautiful. All right, look how the pot I get dealt with right now. This look good. See that now? All right. I was trying to find my pressure cooker, so I did things kind of backwards a little bit, but everything fresh. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 of them. Some more fresh thyme, fresh onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Everything nice up right now. See me? Hold on there. Let me find the thing for me. Nice up now, you know. Upon this, yes, yeah. Some of this over here. You don't see like oil residue, or I wouldn't say residue, but like you can see like it's not oily. Cause I didn't put no extra oil in here. Everything sweat out for itself. So what we're going to do, because I can't find my commercial pressure cooker, I don't know if I have it here. I'm going to, I got a home pressure cooker, a small one. I'm going to put some in here for dinner tonight. And then going to finish cooking up the rest to have some for later and tomorrow. And a couple of my friends want some goat. I made a lot, so. Everything nice and spice up now, nice and pretty up, you know. Look on that. Jeez. Yes, I Guys, remember I say you added water to it. Remember I say you add water, alright? So you have to season up back your water. Put a little bit more seasoning in it. Don't afraid to put a little bit more curry in it. A little bit of every little seasoning we have. Just put a little bit in it. Just a sprinkle of, you know, can season up, back up the water. I remind you, when you pour water upon it, somebody seasoning come off, I'm going to water, yes, but season up the water. All right. Remember, I have my own brand, which is all purpose. The brand is vintage. This is all purpose. I put some of this in there, and I also put my curry blend season in there. All right, everything all in one. Nice. You can't make curry chicken with this by itself. All right, so I go on and I'll make this cook, yeah. We'll check it back up in a little bit. The goat is done. See that nice gravy? You put your potatoes in the last 15 minutes. See that? Nice. That's how you can tell when it's done too. Take your fork and just clip off a piece of the meat. Let me go ahead and plate this for you guys. Lovely curry goat. Beautiful glass of wine. It's our salad. Done to perfection.